The Safety First, Empowering and Protecting Women and Children in Goa initiative was launched on Wednesday at the Kadamba bus stand in Panjim. Organized by the Corporation of the City of Panjim, CCP, in collaboration with Goa Police and Scan Goa, the campaign aims to enhance public transport safety. The two-phase initiative began with the installation of awareness hoardings on electrical poles in Panji. The ongoing second phase focuses on placing helpline stickers at bus stands across the state. These stickers, also being placed in Kadamba buses, private buses, taxis, and rickshaws, highlight key emergency contact numbers for Childline, Women's Safety, and Goa Police, ensuring quick access to help when needed.
Okay, it's empowering women and protecting children. This is the second phase of our campaign. The first phase was hoardings on electrical poles, which covered different issues such as sexual harassment, child sexual abuse, voyeurism, and stalking. All this now awareness has been created for public, along with emergency numbers where they can reach out to if they are facing it. Okay, so this whole campaign is basically to educate people and to create awareness among general public on the issue of women and child safety. Okay, as SCAN, we have been working with the government for over 10 years now, running the victim assistance unit for the government. We are located at the forensic department at GMC. So our average cases what we get is 30 in a month. So our whole thing is to, through this campaign, work on the prevention mode where cases do not happen basically in first, and if the cases are coming up, they know whom to approach. Because most of the cases which get reported to police are also late reporting which are happening. So with this, our whole objective is to create a safe environment and see that the community deserves to, every individual deserves to be feeling safe and secure within the state of Goa.
This will be in Panjim or all over Goa?
No, the hoarding campaign is only in Panjim, okay, and neighboring places, but the sticker campaign is throughout Goa. All public buses, KTC buses, rickshaws, taxis will be covered through the sticker. Panjim bus stops, bus stands, every place will be covered with this sticker campaign.